How to add Visa gift card on Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to add Visa gift card on Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a Visa gift card on Venmo, okay? So just follow what I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to do it. As I told you, there is nothing to worry about, just some simple steps and you're going to be able to do it, okay? So the first thing that we need to do now is to go to your phone. Okay, after going to your phone, you need to go now to Venmo app and open it, okay? So just open Venmo app. Alright, after opening your Venmo app, what you need to do is to go to me, okay? So you can go to your profile, okay? So just go to me. And after going to me, you're gonna find settings here, okay? So just click on settings. Okay, and after clicking on settings here, there are a lot of options, but what matters to us is payment methods, because we want to add a Visa gift card. So we just need to go to payment methods and click on it. Alright, after clicking on payment methods, you're gonna find add a bank or a card, okay? And next to add a bank or a card, there is a plus, okay? So you just need to click on it. Alright, after clicking on add a bank or a card, you're gonna find here these three options. Bank, card, but what matters to us is card. So we just need to click on the card. Okay, after clicking on card, here you need to enter the info about your Visa gift card, okay? And after entering all the info about your Visa gift card, you just need to click on add. And after clicking on add, congrats, you just did it. You just added a Visa gift card on Venmo. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a Visa gift card on Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.